In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with 100% legit money making apps, so you can create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. If you would like to learn even more ways to create money online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content, you will get notified. Let's go to my computer now. Okay guys, so the first website I want to show you, it's called ipol.com. You can come here, join this website and start rewarding from the first minute. Let's see what they offer. Get mobile with your opinions. It means you can do it from anywhere and whenever you want. So you sign up for free and then let's see how it works. iPol is an online and mobile community when your unique perspective is your gain. Answering questions about the products and services you use and places you visit every day is all you have to do to access our great reward catalog. Let's see actually what you can earn. So every time you share, you'll be compensated. Give us your opinion and earn iPol currency by taking surveys, testing products, and more. You enjoy cash payout and popular gift cards from your favorite brand. Get rewarded your way and treat yourself today. So let's see how they pay. And as you can see here, they pay via PayPal, Amazon, or iTunes gift card. Let's see now their about page. Okay, look at this. What we do, you already know. As a member of iPol, you'll take in a variety of activities with one purpose: sharing your views. Every time you do, you'll earn iPol currency. Once you collected enough, you can redeem for a reward of your choosing. It's all about giving companies and researchers a window into how you really feel. Here they say they're actually unlike other market researchers communities and that there is more to iPol than online survey. You can share your feedback, test product, and discover a lot more with a real mission. Here you can see they say that their favorite topic is trending between news to opinions of your favorite TV show and brand. And it's completely safe to use, free to use, and you can start and make money online today. No experience needed. Okay guys, so the second apps I want to show you, it's called Make Money. Complete simple offers and earn money. Simply how it works. The Make Money apps is very simple to use. Getting some extra money really is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. So you start with earn your credit, complete as many tasks as you can. In hot offers tab, the tasks varies and can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. We recommend checking the offers stated as update often and provide high credit. Then you cash out actually. Once your credit balance is enough to cash out, you can do so at the payouts tab by requesting a payout to be sent to your PayPal account. Okay, that's it guys. So you start with earn credit, then you cash them out, and then the third stage and the most exciting one is enjoy your money. Pay attention to that. Payouts take around 24 hours and are paid directly to your account. We notify you once the payout is completed, and then you can enjoy your money. Guys, you can do it from wherever you want and whenever you want it. You can make money online with legit money making apps that you can download right now to your phone. And as you can see, it's available on both Apple iOS and Google Android operation system. Okay, so the last app's called Survey Junkie, where you can take surveys and get paid. Be an influencer, share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. Okay, you just come to here, join, and then start making money. Shape products and services that are meaningful to you. Take surveys, earn rewards, and get paid. Survey Junkie provides an interesting way to make a little cash while doing something interesting. Get rewarded for your participation. A reward program offers popular gift cards and cash out via PayPal. They offer also Amazon gift cards, and you can start and make money online today. Make a difference as a consumer. Your opinion can change the products of tomorrow, today. Okay guys, so I've showed you 3 legit money making apps that you can download right now to your phone, so you can start and make income online today. You can start today and do a little bit of them all actually. You can just sign up to all of them so you can collect money from them all and create income online as a side hustle, or if you are dedicated enough, as a main income stream. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down in the bottom and comment, let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most, what's your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe to my channel now, because I've got an awesome videos coming out soon, and if you will click on the bell notification icon now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Okay, till next time, see ya!